just coming back to this, and I'm wondering, in fact I'm pretty certain this is to do with something I found the last time I took the head gasket off, the cylinder head off, during the summer last year. And that was on top of the gasket, between pistons 4 and 5, these two here, on top of the gasket, last time I found, and you won't believe this, and it was sat right about there, and it was sandwiched between the head and the block, on top of the gasket. I've obviously taken the gasket out. There was no dent in the gasket, there was nothing visible on the head. I mean, look at it. It's like a piece of screwdriver or something, I don't know, or punch. But it's big. It's pretty big. You know, I've got pretty big hands, that's not tiny. And it's definitely been flattened if you look at the end. I don't know if you can see that, but it's definitely got, it's wider in that profile than it is in that profile, so it's definitely squeezed. I think it's probably either deformed the block, or more likely it's made an impression on the head. So the head is leaking potentially, or the gasket's leaking, or it's not sealing properly, and therefore you're getting a tiny amount of blow by maybe. I have no idea exactly what's going on, but I think that's to do with that. And I think I'm going to have to get the block and the head checked for true.